How's it going? Welcome to my video. So we're doing this video on this Prestone total cooling system cleaner. Cleans radiator, heater core, and hoses. Flush, clean, and refill. It sells for $428. If you guys have used this, maybe like drop a comment in the comment section. Let us know what you use this for. I mean, I think if you're like changing out your water pump or your thermostat, or have like a semi-clogged radiator, I don't come across that too often, to be honest with you. I've had situations where the radiator's been cracked, tubes get brittled, rubber tubes get brittle and stuff like that, but haven't actually had issues where radiators are clogged to the extent. I mean, I've seen pretty dirty radiator fluid coming from the radiator of some vehicles I've worked on, but never actually had a situation where it's gone to the point where one of these cleaners are needed. But $428, I guess you can't go bad with it. If you're gonna flush a radiator, might as well just do this. Normally, if you flush the radiator, you could actually just put a hose on top of the radiator, turn your vehicle on, water pump will cycle the coolant through it, and as long as it comes out clear or semi-clear, you're good with that. But no, I guess if there's a cleaner for it, $428 is probably worth the money. But leave a comment, please subscribe, all that good stuff, guys. Take care.